Right, guys, so finally let's talk about closing your GoFundMe. It says here, are there any deadlines or time limits? No, never. With GoFundMe, there are no deadlines or time limits. Your campaign will remain live until you choose to turn off donations or remove the campaign altogether. Most organisers leave their campaigns active indefinitely to refer back to kind comments and support that they receive. So effectively, you can leave it, just leave it. But if you have had something where you don't want people to donate any more, then you can turn it off. Now, from what I understand, you go back to here and go edit, go to additional options, team, fundraiser, allow donations. So what you can do to turn off donations is simply untick that, save, and that will stop donations, but keep all your stuff live on your site. If you want to completely remove it, remove my campaign from GoFundMe. Your donors, if applicable, will still be able to see your campaign. Deactivate campaign. There may still be money in your account. If you deactivate without withdrawal, you will not be able to access your funds. Deactivating your account does not automatically issue refunds for your donors. So you can deactivate without withdrawal. I'll leave it because I'm just going to take that £4.60 back that I donated. But you click there and that closes the account totally.